Piawi. At, hey guys, welcome to the Philippines. Okay. In English, in Tagalog, anong feeling na sikat na kayo?
In translation, bakit ka namin gusto?
Please answer, Mr. Pungsho.
No, I know how to English. Okay. You speak in English. No. For me, as of me, you first. Yeah, where's the cat now? Because we have many fans out there. Yes. I love you. Yari ka sa akin mamaya. I love you. Yes. We are now, sikat. We're on the top. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber here. And the Piawi crew here. So low. Justin Bieber. Marunong din kayo mag-Tagalog. Marunong ka. Onti lang. Ano pa kayo ulit yung tanong mo?
So, I mean, how do you guys feel now that you're very much known in the country, right? And in the whole world?
Well, actually, we did. When the first time came here, we feel a legend. We are a legend. We are so famous that we were proud of ourselves because we are the best. We're the best among them.
Well, I have heard of the legends. Can you tell us who are the two legends?
The legends here is me, Wang Xin, Zhang Xin, Xiao Yu, Xiang Xian, Zhan Xian, Zhang Xun, Zhen Shen, Xiang Shen, Shen Xie, Misu, Sinigang sa Misu, Zhan Xin, Zhan Xin. Ciao. Sake. Ese poco posele. We are the legends. In Korea, Shang-Chi,
Can you give a message to your number one fan, Aika? Aika's number one fan. Can you please give her a message?
Ay, wala na eh. Interview them first.
Message to Aika, please.
Kayo na. 宣谁恭喜秀卖秀宝小 King 工匠 you know 工匠用what do you call it? Quang. We go back to Philippines just to taste that quang. I like how quang is so big.
Nasaan yung message niyo para kay Aika?
Let's go. Bye.
Bye kayo!